Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel BU02 Assessment2 Guest Survey. In its project description, you will see, I will read the project description. The Northwoods Resort periodically survey guests prior to departure. You have asked to assist with the analysis of the survey data. To assist you, a sample of 10 survey has been taken and formatted in a worksheet. The survey data worksheet contains a set of recent customer survey data for 16 questions on survey. Guests answer the question on the scale of 1 to 5. 1 represented unsatisfied, 5 represented very satisfied. If the guest indicate the question is not available for his stay, for example, the guest did not utilize the service, no value is entered. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is download and open the file name Excel BU02 Assessment2 Guest Survey. Grader admit or added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already downloaded this file. That's our file. That's my name at the start of the file name, and that's the file name. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is on the survey data worksheet in the cell M6. So we will go to the survey data. That's our survey data. That's our M6 cell. What he is saying, enter account function that return to the number of guests who answered the question. Copy the formula to the cell M21. So we will use a count formula. We'll put is equal to count and start our bracket. We'll start the values from the C6 to L6 and press enter. So we have got our results, and we will copy this formula up to downside as a M21. So we have got our result in the column M6 to M21. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, or SimNet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. And if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. Now we will move to our third step. To quickly visualize the rating for each question, insert the spark line with the line type in the cell N6 to N21. So we will select N6 to N21. We will go to the insert tab, and here we will select spark line spark line. And what is the data range? We will go to the instruction. Cell range C6 to L21 are the source for the spark line. So we will type here C6 colon L21. That's the he is asking, and we will press OK. So we have got our spark line in the cells N6 to N21. And what he is saying, identify the spark line high point. So we will identify the high point. We will go to the show as a high point. We will select and increase the width of the column N to 20. So we will increase the width of column by selecting this, and we will column width, we will make it as a 20. That's the column width, and we will press OK. So column width now increase. That's our third step. Our fourth step is, next we want to create an area to be able to analyze each survey question data separately. So a criteria section is created in all cell ranges A23 to L23 to extract information from the data based on the question number. You decide to assign a range name to use in this lookup formula assigned in the range survey range. We will copy this. What is he asking? A6 to L21. L21. We will select A6 to L21. We will go to the formula tab, and in the define names we will type what he is asking for, survey range. So we will type survey range. That's our name. So we assigned a range name to the A6 to L21. That's our fourth step. We have total 13 steps of this assignment. I have performed 4 steps. I will show you. I have completed this assignment before for one my client. That's our final form of assignment. We will open this one. He is not opening the same name. We will open now. I will show you the final form of this assignment with 12 steps. That's our guest data worksheet, and that's our survey worksheet. So that's our final form of our assignment. So if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want to deal for complete assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get the new video updates. Thank you.